Okay, so it's tomorrow now. This is the glued on part. The thing is, 23 hours later, still feels a bit soft, but I will assemble it because I'm not gonna have time tomorrow. So, piece of rug we need. Okay, so now you might ask why I didn't change the seal. The answer is because I don't want to spend the money, and I'm not sure that the seal is gonna be problematic. Let's see now. What we're gonna do is we're gonna clean the seal. We'll apply some new compound. Just wipe off a little bit. There we go. A bit more. Just like so. Here. Okay. And then on this side. If I feel it's still leaking, because look at this. This is bad. This is not good at all. So it might be problematic itself. I don't want to spend money on stuff that might not work anyway. So let's just stick to the simple stuff. Okay. Because I was going to change the pneumatic splitter itself, not even thinking for the reasons that doesn't work, and the thing costs $135. So okay. Okay. This thing is nasty. Nasty. Okay, now let's see. What we need to do first is apply some grease onto this part here. That's a seal right there. Okay. There we go. I need to apply the grease to the rubber things as well. These seals don't look even close to good, but I'm sure we'll find a way to find new ones if it's leaking. They don't seem that complicated anyway. They just need to be even. They look even now. Now let's clean. There is a little seal right here. Okay. Okay. Now I'll just apply a very thin coat of grease, very thin, onto the cylinder rod. I think that's the rod and the whole thing is the rod. Okay, now did we clean this side? I think we did clean that. Okay, so put some of the grease here. Okay. Now let's lubricate this one as well. I think it looks perfectly good for an old one. Let's see now how is it gonna fit here. Okay. A lovely job. Now okay. I'll try to be very gentle with it. I don't really think it needs a lot of, be very tight. Maybe like so. Okay, I think that's it. Okay, now thin layer of this thing. That's brilliant, by the way. American. Good stuff, American you make. Synthetic grease for seals. I think that's good. Okay, I'll just put it on one side. See, this looks yeah, that's some airplane proper. Oh, there we go. Now let's leave it like it is. I'll leave it like this for the next, I don't know how much long time. Now just put this one back in. Now I'll leave it like this for the next 48 hours. Then I'll give it a little test. I'm not gonna, if it's working properly, I'm not gonna film it, or maybe I'll film it. I don't know, we'll see. I'll put everything back together on the machine, fast forward, and we'll see what's next. Tested both of the cylinders, and I figured out that it didn't fit with it. So I got this compressor here with 7 bars, and we can see that there is no leaks. I checked them already. No leaks. Usually it's gonna leak on this side, and you can hear it. Nothing. I sprayed a little bit of soapy water all around, just to be on the safe side. Okay, I really like that thingy. Nothing. So let's put them all back in, and let's see how does it work. Fast forward the video. Okay, so now both cylinders are in. I just pumped the air and they don't leak, but something else is leaking now. I got all the pipes connected as they should be, Then what we're gonna do now is connect. I'm gonna connect the air. I'll take some soapy water and we will spray. We'll spray all of the connectors here with some soapy water. There we go. I have insulated all of the connectors that have electrics on them. So we're gonna connect the air now. There we go. The problem is right there. So what we're gonna do now is pull the connector out and we're just gonna seat it nicer. Let's see again. I think all these needs to be replaced. But let's see. Oh, it's even worse. No. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is take all of the connectors out and I'll maybe go and just buy another one. I will try to fix this one. Let's see. I will need to change my gloves. Okay, I managed to change the O-rings. Watch my other video on how to do that, because otherwise I'm putting too much information in one video and there is no chance for people to find it. So yeah, let's see which one comes from where. This one is the main one. I think I chopped it and it has a sharp edge. Yeah, so just give it a little tap with the sandpaper. I think that's perfect. Let's see now. I know that these pipes shrink over time, so this might be why it's leaking air, but we will see. Okay, so that's one. One is here. It's gonna be two. That's gonna be the third one. Did I chop this one? I think I did not, so I'll chop it now. Okay, chopped. Let's see if I can give it a little. Така. Nope, that was in my language. Let's see. Next one. There we go. We'll put it on this side. There we go. That's okay. Now, oh, this one is definitely not chopped, so chop it here as well. Should I chop it right here? Yeah. Okay. Let's give it. I'm doing this sanding in the end, so it's not cutting the edge with the edge because it's very sharp edge. I don't want to cut the seal because it might get pinched in between. Okay. Still got, I don't know. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. And just a small one right in here. Okay. Okay. So they'll win nicely. Let's pump the compressor and see if something's leaking. The compressor just finished pumping up the air. Let's see. There is still something leaking. I don't know from where. Okay. I think from over there is leaking. No? The thing is exactly from here. Well, this means that we still have a slight leak from the top and bottom seals on the big turning table, but I think I can bear that. Let's see how does it work. Okay, so let's see. I have the mufflers on, so I'm yelling. That's this side, and I know it's working, but I don't have a tire at the moment to show you. That's soap, so I don't want to put it on the table. Which is perfect, I think. Okay, and now I didn't connect the pedal yet, but I have a tire that doesn't need dismounting. Let's see. As you can see, it's nicely gripped on the back. I really like that. I really like that. So that's okay. I don't know. Well, I'll save that for later. So that's first part of repairing the tire machine and putting it back to shape. This thing is working. This thing is working. Next thing is the back part and this top part. There we go. I hope the video is being helpful to you. Like and subscribe if you like it. It's a bit of a mess, so tidy up for the next one. I will see this leak should be from the cylinders, so it's if it's making me mad, I will replace the seals, but for now I'll just continue till I know that the whole machine is fully working. I will see you on part 2. Bye bye.